Hey, now I'm back. How to maintenance detail part 2. In part 1, I complete the exterior. Now for advertising purpose, the exterior was done first to show potential customers what I can do. In this case, I have business cards on deck because this is definitely a fly trap, and in no time I know customers will be approaching, asking questions. So okay, let's make our way to the interior. The interior really isn't dirty at all. My maintenance package isn't designed for dirty vehicles. When a vehicle is routinely maintenance, this is what it looks like. So I'll save my APC and only use steam and air. With that being said, I'll dry the door jambs and the windows while I wait for my steamer to warm up. Windows can be difficult. There are many methods that work. My method is 2 microfibers, a bucket of water, and a splash of Dawn. Damp microfiber followed by a dry one. Keep it simple. KISS, KISS. Keep it simple. Compressed air allows me to blow away debris from hidden areas or places that a vacuum nozzle can't fit. Less elbow grease is what I'm about. A simple tool like this eliminates the use of muscle. Makes the hardest job easier. Same thing with the steamer. The heat from the steam softens grime, dirt, so you can easily wipe it away. Steam also disinfects. Now the only thing left to do is to vacuum. And I used to wonder why detailers would use this nozzle, this thin nozzle. In the past, I would use a wider nozzle because it covers a wider area. But once I tried this thinner nozzle, I quickly understood why. How you gonna fit that big old nozzle in the small, tight areas? Thanks for tuning in. Oh, go join the New Wave Facebook group by A&A. Shouts out to New Wave. Peace.